about the other tensions that prevailed in parts of Bagalkot in Karnataka after stone pelting that was reported during a procession that was taken out on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now, according to police, the incident occurred in the old city area where the procession was carrying a statue of Shivaji Maharaj and was passing through the locality. A group of youth allegedly threw stones at the procession, triggering chaos at the spot. Now, during the incident, stone reportedly also hit the Bagalkot SP, leaving him with minor injuries. And what is being said, several other people, around 4 to 5 of them, including some activists, were also a part of the procession, sustained minor injuries in stone pelting. Now, as far as the current situation is concerned, it has now been brought under control. However, prohibitory orders that have been also issued and additional police deployment has also been done as far as the sensitive areas is concerned to prevent further unrest.
ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದೋಬಸ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ DSP ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೊಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2 ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂತು. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಬಂತು ನಾವೀಗ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ 2 ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಂಜರಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲಾದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಮೂತಾಗಿ ಮುಗೀತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂತು, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Now, as far as the situation that has been reported and has been prevailing in Bagalkot, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, has also appealed for peace, and he's called this incident to be unfortunate. You just heard, as far as the SP is concerned, he too was injured in the incident of stone pelting that was reported at Bagalkot clashes, where he was also present during the procession that was being taken about. Let's in fact put out the statement that has now come in from the Chief Minister himself. Siddaramaiah now post saying that the incident of stone pelting reported in Bagalkot is unfortunate, and I appeal to all citizens to maintain peace and harmony. Karnataka's strength lies in its unity and brotherhood. The police have taken swift action and already made arrests, and they are conducting thorough investigation to identify the cause of the incident and all those responsible. Strict action will be taken against the perpetrators, irrespective of who they are, and I urge everyone not to fall prey to rumors or provocation, and let us stand together and preserve peace and communal harmony in our state. Let's connect with Navya on this. So Navya, according to the Chief Minister, arrests have already taken place. Can you give us the details on that context?
Well, yes, in related to what tensions erupted last night during the Shivaji procession in Bagalkote, now the police have arrested 8 of them, among whom the even accused is identified as Tanveer, who was standing near the shoe rack in the mosque, who allegedly threw 2 stones which fell on the police, and the police in fact, the SP was hurt and sustained few injuries. While in this backdrop, CM Siddaramaiah has now tweeted saying that we should maintain unity and peace in this matter, and the police have already made taken necessary actions and made arrests in this regard. While they would take into account all the perpetrators irrespective of whoever they are, is what we are learning at this point.
Right, but what about the prohibitory orders on part of the police? What are the precautionary measures that have been taken up, Navya?
Well, prohibitory orders have been imposed under Section 163, where, from February 19 to February 26th, which is what we are learning after what tensions erupted in Bagalkote during the procession. Now, additional police personnel have also been deployed in the area, and security measures have also been taken, and police are further investigating in this matter, Amita.
All right. So these developments that have now been reported as far as in Bagalkot in Karnataka is concerned, tensions that erupted during a procession that was taken place on the occasion of the Jayanti, or the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And this was said to be in the old city area, which seems to be a sensitive zone where these clashes and stone pelting has been reported. Let's in the meantime shift